This video demonstrates glass and ceiling strip installation for glass handrails. Mark fixed points on the handrail frame and place leveling shims. Apply sealant to secure the shims. Lift the glass panel upward first. Fit the glass panel into the bottom groove. Adjust the glass panel sideways. The bottom ceiling strip is not compressed. Shims must be positioned correctly. Hold the glass panel steady while installing strips on both sides at the same time. Press the bottom ceiling strip tightly. Press both side strips evenly into position. Then fit the top ceiling strip. Repeat the same operation. Press one side and check the fitting clearance. The clearance fits perfectly. The top strip is easier to compress. The top strip has better elasticity. Press it fully in one motion. This fitting component is adjustable. Apply sealant after full assembly. It will be fixed once the sealant cures. Place bottom shims flat and centered. Crooked shims will prevent full compression of the strips. Center the shims accurately. Fully compress the top ceiling strips. All ceiling strips are fully pressed into place.